here's what I want. You're gonna take your piece, you're gonna teeter-totter it. You're gonna teeter-totter it real similar to what you've been doing on every other piece. Everybody get where you can see my piece. And I wanna make sure that you notice that the grain's going this way here. I don't have edges, okay? I'm not doing edges first, I'm doing a face. If I push here, it's gonna be teeter-tottering. If I push here, it's also gonna be teeter-tottering. The reason being is each of these individual pieces that we already jointed and glued together, you teeter-tottered them, you took the one that didn't rock, you glued that one against another one. You took the two best faces that you had and glued them together. Now we have to pick up the pieces and do the best we can. So I go like this, and right now, if you can see this side, when I push here, that rocks a lot. I go over like this, it rocks very subtly. This is the one that I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna go like this. I'm not gonna turn the dust collector on because I don't wanna yell over it. Here's what I need to be cognizant of, ladies and gentlemen. I need to make sure that wherever I apply pressure, I maintain consistency from here clear to there. I'm gonna push about halfway to, a third of the way back, and I'm gonna push here. I don't think about it like a banana. I don't want to push in the front and hold here, and then as it goes, wheel it up, because then I'm not getting any flatter and straighter. Right now, everybody can see this little space. If I push there, you see that little space gets a little bigger, see how it climbs? I need to make that go away. That's the whole point of jointing. We are always jointing with a purpose. There I am. I'll leave that sit. I'm not going to move it. Again, metal table. Everybody get where you can kind of see this. See that? I'm pushing on both ends. That took it out. Okay, that's flat. That's as flat as we can consider that flat for the sake of being flat. Or we also call that true. Okay? In the woodworking world, this is called true. X. Look familiar? Seem like a common pattern that we're doing over and over? What am I going to do next? What do you think? Give me a stab at it. What do you think I'm going to do next? Plane it. So I can take this X down. I can plane it. What's that going to do? It's going to make this top edge what? What's that word?
Parallel.
Parallel to the bottom. Okay? We can do that. We're going to hold off on that. There you go.
Yeah.
Good luck. We're not going to plane it yet. We're going to do something beforehand. Remember, on like a piece like this, we jointed a face, then we did what, Lily? We jointed an edge. So we jointed a face, then we put that X against the fence, we jointed an edge. That made these two perpendicular, square, 90 degrees, whatever, however you want to refer. So here's what I do. That X, I look at my two edges, ladies and gentlemen. Okay? I kind of just eyeball which one's the better one. Okay? I'm going to go with this one. This is going against the fence. Nathan, I want you to do the best that you can, trying to keep an eye on this on the video, for the video's sake. If anybody else can get over here, you can sneak in here a little bit so that you can see here. I want you paying attention to the fact that from beginning to end, I want to make sure that this stays against that fence. I want these two perpendicular, exactly 90 degrees. You guys see this push stick? Nice looking push stick, right? Probably one of the weirdest looking push sticks that you've ever seen. But what I do is I hold it like this. Everybody see how I can apply pressure downward and inward. I want it to stay nice and against that fence. This hand's largely just holding it down and feeding it through. So I'm gonna go about a third of the way back again. I'm holding down and in. Notice that I'm not running them through 3, 4, 5 times. 1 and 1. Sometimes 2 and 2. But that's it. That's what I'm dealing with. What do I know that's significant? This and this are 90 degrees. That's the foundation for everything else that we're going to do to these. That's plenty for you to do today. Any questions? Go.